Windy, dusty days like today can make a mess of swimming pools here in the valley. The owner of a local pool maintenance and repair company, Stephen Little, says that dust in the air can turn into large deposits of sand and debris at the bottom of your pool. Little suggests waiting until the winds have died down to clean your pool.
So, advice and questions are always free. I welcome anyone to call me or their pool professional, but the reality is we've got to get all the dust and debris out of the filters so the circulation system will work. But number one, trust your pool professional.
As he pointed out there, Little also recommending to make sure your pool filters are clean.